Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to take a close look at the Sega Saturn smartphone controller. Yes people, I bought this secondhand here on marktplaats.nl and I just wanted to check it out. What are we going to get? So far I know these are still for sale. You can pick it up from Amazon for example. Alright, let's do a little bit of an unboxing. I'm guessing this thing is still sealed. Ooh, we're going to open it up and unseal it together. So what I think is pretty neat that you have 90 games available to download from the store. So you don't have to download an emulator and all this extra stuff you need to do. No, it's just plug and play. So pretty damn nice. It connects with Bluetooth. And the games, what kind of games can you download? What you can see here, we have a lot of old school Sega MegaDrive games and even Sega City or Sonic City. So that is also very nice. Enough chit chat, let's unbox and let's see what's inside. Alright. Operation manual with some basic explanations, how it works. Alright, nothing in it anymore. I think I'm going to need a scissor again or not. Can I pack it this way? No, I don't need a scissor. Alright. Huh. That is really funny. I think if you can push this one, you can pull it out or something like that. Yes, indeed. But I'm not going to do that now. The little compartment, so I'm going to need a screwdriver. Alright, the idea behind it, I like it. It feels quite heavy. Feels nice. A little bit clickish. But yeah, this is what we're going to get, people. Oh, nice. Alright, let's grab my phone, let's grab some batteries and let's go. Alright, we are here in the Play Store. Alright, I have already searched Sega Forever, and what you can see here are all the old school games. Pretty damn nice. Alright, I'm going to download some, and yes, I am ready for it. Alright, and now we're going to connect the controller to the phone. I'm going to hold this for 2 seconds. As you can see, it's going out now. Let's hold it again. Alright. As you can see, the LED indicator is blinking. Alright, search. And let's see if something happens. Ah, yes. It says your gamepad. Connect. It's all in Dutch by the way, but connect. And yes, it's connected. Alright, let's go. Let's play some Sega games. It's time for retro gaming. And not with Retro Ralph, but with Wicked. So I already downloaded some games and as you can see some are installed. So I'm going to play some Sonic, Golden Axe, Street Race 2. It's going to be memory lane, people. Oh yeah, I know. Alright, I can see it already. So I need to put it this way. Turn it this way. Just shovel it a little bit. No, I'm touching the button. I'm touching the button at the side. Alright. I'm guessing this one is still connected. Yes, alright. Enter your age. So if you look at the mental part, I'm more like, let's say, 14, but alright. Oh wait, not going to look. I'm going to enter my age. We need to agree to service term. Yeah, I agree. You take my soul, Sega! Alright. No people, I don't want, yeah, just give me some ads. Can I? Settings. I'm very curious, how is this going to play? Oh man, this D-pad is freaking clickish. I hate it. The game runs very smooth. Don't get me wrong, it's playable. It's very playable, but in overall, as you can see, oh, you cannot see, but I need to press it very hard. You can hear it. Click, 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 click. Alright, this game seems to be in full screen. Alright, the controller works. Plug and play. Oh, I'm still seeing this touchscreen controls. Wow. I'm still going. Yes, I'm going to say it again. The D-pad sucks. The button itself responds very nice. Whee! So people, for the final conclusion about the Sega Saturn controller. I already told you twice, for the third time, the D-pad is horrible. It's so horrible that you need to press it very hard. Maybe it's this controller, but overall I am not very happy with it. So playing these old games, it's freaking a nightmare. So about the free games, yeah, it's full of commercials. It's freaking annoying. Every time when you skip a stage or you want to go to the next stage, you're getting a commercial. So in overall, free, yeah, you need to pay for it. Of course you need to pay for it. So this is what you're going to get. Let me know what you think of this. I really love to know. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel.